What's going on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to show you guys the update to my portfolio in regards to what happened today in the stock market. So right now I'm up by 2,000 bucks. Yesterday was not so much a good day. I think I was down like almost 6,000, 7,000 bucks at some point yesterday. So that's what I want to show you guys and talk about in this particular video. Hey, but if you're new to this channel, welcome to another video. My name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and on this channel I talk about how to start investing in the stock market, and I actually document my journey as well. So if you're interested, be sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so of course I have my phone here. I got my iPhone. I'm already recording the screen. I'm gonna go ahead and touch on the Robinhood app, and then of course I'm gonna do my Face ID. So the market is currently, it's in after hours right now. So that's why you guys can see there. It says we have today, I'm up $2,732. And then of course in the after hours, I'm down $44.31. Now, of course, this is going to be fluctuating until, the end of the day, which is going to be like 5 o'clock Central Time, as far as when the after hours are, I think, as far as Robinhood is concerned. So you'll see the price is going to be fluctuating, especially in regards to the after hour price. Right now, as you guys can see on the screen, I have a buying power of $3,500. I did make a video talking about how to add money to your Robinhood account, but I haven't uploaded it yet. When I do upload it, I'll be sure to put a link right here at the top right of this video if you're interested in learning how to add money to your Robinhood account. So I'll be sure to put that video link right here, once again, the top right of this video. So be sure to check that out. Today, I was expecting to get some dividends. I was expecting to get a dividend payment from one of my accounts. Right here at the very top, it says MFA. I'm going to click on that for you guys and show you guys. And so I have, nope, that's not the right account. No, that's not the right one. Let's see. Let me see. There is definitely an account that I'm supposed to get a payment for today. Maybe it's this one. Yep. This one, AGNC, right? So right there, you guys can see it says upcoming activity. There's supposed to be a dividend payment for $21.00. I haven't gotten it yet. I'm not sure exactly why, but maybe sometime today I'll get it. But I want to just kind of show you guys here today what happened. I'm going to touch on the screen. You guys can see I have in the middle of the phone, you see 1D, which means 1 day, and then 1W, which means 1 week, right? And then of course 1 month, 3 months, 1 year, and then of course all time. Now, I have mentioned that my journey has not always been positive in regards to the stock market. As a matter of fact, I'm overall still very much in the red. And of course, I'll talk more about that in other videos. So I touched on 1 week on the screen because I kind of want to show you guys where I was yesterday. So I'm going to touch on the screen. And of course, you guys can see here yesterday, January the 11th, you can see that around 8:30 when the market opened, where I was, and you can see how that progressed throughout the day as I move my hand on the screen. And I'll just kind of get closer towards the end of the day yesterday, which you can see my balance was $161,000 around 2:20 in the afternoon yesterday. And then in comparison today, you see that I've gotten up to $165,000 today earlier around 9:30 in the morning. And then as the day progressed, right now I'm sitting at 164,000. The price just changed, of course, $164,215.30. So that's kind of where I am right now. Now, some of the reasons why the price went the way that it did is because Apple today was quite interesting. It was all over the place. Right now, it doesn't look as bad, but if I show you guys from the beginning, earlier this morning, Apple was up 27 cents. You guys can see that at $129.25 per share. And then it went all the way down to $127.14. Now, I probably should have grabbed some more shares, but I didn't, because right now my average cost is $124.19, which is pretty good. I don't think Apple's gonna go that low, but if they do, I'm gonna be sure to grab some shares with them because Apple's a very solid company. Tesla did okay for the most part. As you guys can see, Tesla was down yesterday like crazy. So I just touched on 1W to show you guys the week snapshot of Tesla. And so as you can see on the screen, January 11th, you can see that Tesla was down yesterday quite a bit. $806 yesterday, and then of course it shot back up today, and the high was around 865, which is pretty cool. So Tesla kind of rebounded quite nicely there for me, so that was really cool. And yeah, of course I have quite a bit of different stocks here. Initially, when I deposited the $3,500 into my account, I wanted to grab some shares of STWD, which is Starwood Property Trust. The reason why I wanted to buy more shares there is because they pay quite a bit in regards to dividends. You guys can see there 10.21% yield, dividend yield, which is really, really good. I wanted to grab some more shares of that, or I wanted to buy some shares of NIO. I don't have any shares at all with NIO. NIO is in the electric vehicle business. And so, you know, NIO would go nicely with the Tesla stocks that I already have. But for whatever reason, I haven't grabbed any shares, and NIO was kind of all over the place. I'm glad that I didn't grab any shares because yesterday it went up to like 65 bucks or so, maybe 66 bucks or so yesterday. And of course, it's, you know, kind of pulled back a little bit. So I'm glad that I didn't get any shares. So I'm not exactly sure where I'm going to grab shares from, but I do have my $3,500 in the account that I added today for that purpose. But I just wanted to make this quick video to kind of give you guys an update as to what happened today for me personally in the market. And of course, I'll be back again later on this week in another video showing yet another update. Listen, if you haven't subscribed to this channel and you're interested in learning more about the stock market, and even if you're learning how to just start investing in the stock market, please subscribe. I'd love to have you as a subscriber. And if you like the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. It helps the channel tremendously. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.